So hey my love, first up welcome back again to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you how to optimize your YouTube videos for more views, for massive views. Or let me call it the secret to video optimization. Now, it's not just about going to go and upload your videos and expecting the videos to just start going viral and making magic for you. There are certain measures you need to put in check before you upload that video, while you're uploading that video, and after you must have uploaded that video. These measures I will share with you will also help your video to rank high in search engine when people decide to search for a particular keyword or a particular thing on YouTube. So if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe to the channel. If you're a returning subscriber, you know I love you. This is subscribe. Okay, now without much ado, let's get into it. So now the first thing you need to do before you upload your video, now after you must have finished editing your video using CapCut or InShot or whatever editing app you're using, next thing you should do before you upload is to go back and rename that video file. Like, yes, go to your file manager or whatever way. If you're using an Android, go to your file manager. If you're using an iPhone, you know where you're going. Try and rename that particular video. Now give it a name that is similar to that which the video is meant for. So let's assume you made a video on how to get more views on YouTube. Once you're done editing the video, go to your file manager, go back to the video, click on the three dots right there and rename the file. So name it according to what the video is for. How to get more views on YouTube, or get more views on YouTube, or how to gain more views. Just something similar to that, and then save it. Now, once you're done with that, the next thing you're supposed to do, or the second thing you should do now, is your thumbnail. It's not just about designing a very catchy thumbnail and a very fine thumbnail and all of that. After you're done with that thumbnail design using Canva or maybe even CapCut or whatever editing app you're using to design your thumbnails, also make sure that you rename that thumbnail. Yes, the same way you renamed your video file after editing and exporting, in the same way you're also supposed to also rename that thumbnail after you're done editing it. Still on your file manager, if you're using an Android or iPhone, go there, click on the three dot there and rename it. Yes, still rename it according to how you named the video. How to get more views on YouTube, get more views on YouTube, get many views and all of that. Now, the third thing you should also do to make your videos rank high in search engine and to optimize your videos for people to actually come across it is what we call the keyword search optimization. Now, you know that thing that keywords are those things that when people search for on YouTube, your video is likely to pop up. Like, sometimes when you go to YouTube, you start searching for something on YouTube, how to do this or blah blah blah, or maybe you put in a particular tag there. That thing you're putting there for YouTube to give you the results is a keyword. So now, if you're someone who uses TubeBuddy, you can use TubeBuddy and do your keyword research. I made a video on how to do that. I mean, you can check the description for the particular one. You can also use vidIQ to search for the particular thing. So go to vidIQ and type how to get more views on YouTube. Now, vidIQ will give you a list of keywords, titles, and tags that are similar to that how to get more views on YouTube. Now, you have to copy them and save them, or just write them down somewhere. After you're done with that keyword research, the next thing is to upload your video, right? Now, those keywords you've got, use them in your title and in your description. Now, there is a wrong and right way to upload video. Now, not entirely wrong, but there is a better way to upload your videos to make them rank higher too. Now, depending on when you're going to watch this video, you also check the description box to link to the video, how to upload your video the right way. That will help your video in reaching a wider audience. And that brings us to the fourth part, or the fourth thing you should do. Now, fill in that your description box as well, describing your video and adding all the necessary links and keywords. Make sure you use your hashtags. Now, in as much as you're allowed to use many hashtags, but the truth of the matter is that YouTube only uses 3 out of all those plenty hashtags you use there. Only the first 3 hashtags will be used. I'm not saying that they are not important, but even if you want to write plenty hashtags, maybe to try your luck, make sure that the first 3 that you're using there are things that are similar to your video. So you can be using hashtag get more views on YouTube, hashtag gain views on YouTube, hashtag get more view. You cannot decide to now go and write other hashtags below, but just so that those first 3 that you use is what YouTube will actually use in recommending your videos to people. And I don't see why you should even write more than 3. It's better you don't stick to the 3 hashtags that YouTube will use. And then this brings us to the 5th part. After you're done adding your hashtags in your description, add tags. Now, tags are phrases, words, or sentences that when people search for on YouTube, your video will be one of those ones recommended. Now, it's different from the hashtag because hashtag comes with the hash symbol and you have to put the words together. right? But in that, you have to separate them, and at the same time, you don't have to input that hash symbol again. So this is where you can write something like get more views on YouTube, how to gain more views, how to get views on YouTube, how to increase your views on YouTube, just those things. After you're done using the hashtags and putting the tags at the appropriate tag section, it's time for you to click the publish section. Like I said, just very simple. You name your video file before you upload. You name the thumbnail that you're using. Then before you start the uploading, try and do your keyword search. This third keyword search is what will now help you in the third, fourth, and fifth one, which is adding those keywords in your title and in your description. Also, it will now help you in using the relevant hashtag still in the description, and it will now help you in adding tags in the tag section of your YouTube video. That way, when you finally publish your video, YouTube will use those keywords you used, this hashtag, the description, and title, and even that name you gave them your video file, and then you gave your thumbnail to actually push your video to people that might be looking for the video on YouTube. So apart from recommending your video to maybe your subscribers and to people on the home feed, when people search for how to get views on YouTube, how to increase my views, and how to your video is among those ones that YouTube should push and recommend to those people looking for that thing. Do you understand what I just said? So now, if you're able to implement these 5 strategies I just gave, now you'll be able to make your video rank high in search engine and to help to optimize your YouTube video for better performance. Now, this brings us to the end of this particular video. If you don't subscribe yet, do subscribe to the channel and turn on the notifications so you don't miss a single thing. I'll see you guys in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.